Monty. Oh, hello, miss. What do you mean, miss? I'm sorry, I have a cold. I wish to take a complaint. What's the nose for lunch? Never mind that now, my lad. I wish to complain about this bed I purchased not half an hour ago from this very street. Oh, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's up? What's wrong with it? I'll tell you what's wrong with it. He's dead. No. He's resting. Look, lad. I know a dead bed. I'll see one. And I'm looking for one right now. No. He's not dead. He's resting. No mouth of a bird. The Norwegian blue, eh? Beautiful plumage. The plumage don't come into it, lad. He's staying dead. He's resting. All right, then. He's just now. Wake him up. Hello, Mr. Bonnie Parrot. I've got a lovely red codfish for you. Now that you've been the case. Hello, Bonnie. Wakey. Testing. Is this your 9 o'clock alarm call? And that's what I call a dead parrot. No, he's stunned. Stunned? Yeah, he's stunned and just is waking up. Norwegian will stun easily. Love with flueness. I took the liberty of examining this hair. How I got to know. And I discovered that the only reason that Sir Claus urged in the first place was it been nailed there. Well, of course it was nailed there. If I'd have nailed that bird down and nuzzled up to those bars, and boom! Make this pennant with the boom and he put £4 million for it. He's thinking in minds. He's not pining. He's passed on. This pennant is no more. He has ceased to be. He's a stiff, bereft of life. He rests in peace. His thought processes are now history. He's snuffed it. He's off the twig. He's kicked the bucket. He's shuffled off his mortal coil, run down the curtain, and joined the blazing choir and disappeared. He's extinct in all his entirety. This is an ex-parrot. Sorry, Squire. I had to look around the back of the shop and, run out of there. I see. I get the picture. I've got the slug. Does it talk? No. Where? He's hardly a bloody blade. Do you want to come back to my place? I thought you'd never ask.